Good morning. Just woke up here in ATL at my homie Jazzy Faye's crib. Still kind of tired. It's been a long night. Still got on all these bands. Even more crazier morning. I was supposed to be well, going back to Houston today. And when I got to the airport, they said all the flights are canceled. Yes. So I had already done turned in my rental car, so I had to go back and get another rental car. Me and Jazzy had been out all night, so I know he was the only person awake at 6 in the morning, or possibly still awake. So I call him up, yo man, they canceled all my stuff, bro. So yeah, that's what happened. And so yeah, I'm here, and I'll be spending another day in ATL. But I know you see me keep looking this way because it's crazy. Because when they told me it was a storm going on, I was thinking, I'm from Texas, rain, something. But get out the bed. Oh, this is what I woke up to. It's snowing, y'all. This is why I could not get out of ATL. I'm in downtown Atlanta. So yeah, got stuck here in my homie Jazzy. But it's all good though. You know what I'm saying? Maybe we'll get in the lab later on today and work and make some more classics.